Hi there, I'm Paul Yateman, a scientist by day and among other things an artist by night. Here I draw stuff, spaceships, still life, original characters, life drawing, creatures and mystical beasties. In these videos I tend to show the post-thumbnailing drawing process resulting in a completed work. That typically involves a grey or blue pencil sketch, inking with fine liner, perhaps a scan of the intermediate work, and finally colouring using markers, pencil and sometimes Photoshop. Mostly I offer these up as time-lapse. Mostly. Now and then I'll live stream. Sometimes I'll show the video at normal speed for its entirety, so that's 60 minutes of fun, not much talking. If this sounds like something that would float your boat or provide you with inspiration, sketch ideas or instruction, activate the subscribe button and hit like right now. Also, comment with feedback or requests. Okay, let's see where I'm up to in the time lapse. Okay, so for this seated alien, it's pretty much just fine liner, some textures and some grey lead at the end. So I'm basing it on an alien I drew a few days earlier, but basically seated on a rock or just crouching. So here we're going for just the outline, which I'll then beef up with thicker lines and some biomechanical elements, which is mostly things like texture and curved lines, and then some colour, and we'll do some shading. That'll be it for this drawing. The other thing I do is add sort of pink to the lips to give it a sort of fleshy look, sort of imply there may be something else. In some ribs. A thing that you might do when drawing is draw the outline or the general gist of a drawing and then add elements as you go along. So you don't have to sketch everything out in grey lead or blue pencil before you then get stuck into the main drawing. Can be helpful. Sometimes it gets in the way, sometimes it doesn't, and sometimes even if you've drawn them you don't have to then actually go over them with marker. Here again, my little grey texture, and grey where shadows would fall. In some yellows. Yellows I tend to always use for eyes and bones and teeth. Just adding some red lips. And that's probably it, besides some extra pencil. So, what do you think? How would you have drawn this? Let me know your thoughts or ideas in the comments. If you have found this interesting, informative, entertaining, you were inspired to draw on your own sketchbook, or any fun stuff like that, subscribe to my channel, like this video and consider sharing it. Ideally, share it. If you were inspired to draw, share with me your creation in the comments or by tagging me on social media. Until next time, you have been watching Drawing Stuff with me, Paul Yateman. Ciao, take care and happy drawing.